Very good day to everybody. Now we will speak about decision trees, a very simplistic examples on how to use decision trees to come into an appropriate decision given certain choices with certain probabilities. Now this is a fictional case study, caselet rather. There is a person who would like to invest 2 lakh rupees. That person could have a kind of a laundromat come video arcade, and there they will the, she may lose all her money with probability 0.6, or she will gain 2 lakh rupees with probability 0.4. She could also invest in apartments. Now in which case she would have profit of 10,000 or 15,000 or 20,000 or 25,000 or 30,000 with probability 0.2, 0.3, 0.25, 0.2 and 0.05 respectively. Or she could invest in some government securities that give an yield of 8.25%. Now in this particular case, if you see, the decision tree has the 3 options listed out in a graphic format, and the uh, profits are given on the right side along with the individual probabilities. In case of each option, the expected return is calculated. For example, in the case of the laundromat, the expected return is minus 2 lakh into 0.6 plus 2 lakh into 0.4. So it is minus 40,000. Again, in the case of the apartment, it will be 0.2 into 10,000, 0.3 into 15,000, 0.25 into 20,000, 0.2 into 25,000 and 0.05 into 30,000, all added together. So here also we will have an expected return of 18,000. And finally, government securities will give you a profit of 16,500. Because it is quite obvious from this decision tree that the person should go in for the apartment option. Another case study, fictional, similar one. Here, one wants to know how to run a hotel in winter in a ski resort. A large hotel chain can operate the resort for a winter, guaranteeing a 45,000 profit, or one can lease a snowmaker, or one can operate on. Now we just see how much a snowmaker will cost. The leasing cost could treat it as fixed cost. It is 12,000 rupees per season. Operating cost differs depending on the amount of snowfall, 10,000 for more than 40 centimeters, 50,000 for between 40 and 20 centimeters, and 90,000 for less than 20 centimeters. Now with probability 0.4, 0.2, 0.4. If you do not use a snowmaker, apparently one seems to be earning much more. The profit is now totally the profit that you can get 1,20,000 with 0.4 probability, 40,000 with 0.2 and minus 40,000 with 0.4. Thus there are 3 options. One is let the hotel operate, or second option is you use a snowmaker or you operate on. Let us check the options on a decision tree. The 3 options listed out separately. Okay, first is in case you allow the hotel to operate, you have a standard profit of 45,000. You operate on your own, then you will have 1,20,000 with probability 0.4, 40,000 with probability 0.2, and minus 40,000 with probability 0.4. But now if you use a snowmaker, you will have to deduce the cost, that is 1,20,000 minus operating cost minus leasing cost. So it will work out to for more than 40,000 snow for more than 40 centimeter snowfall, it will be 98,000. For between 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter snowfall, it will be 58,000, and for less than 20 centimeter snowfall, it will be 18,000. Profit in the three cases. Here, if you see, the expected profit in the second option is 40,000, and expected profit if you operate with the help of a snowmaker, it is 58,000. Thus, go ahead for the third option.